The land I belongs to, the land I will die for, the land that define my identity. This is my country, my India. Good morning, all of you. I am Ashwini Kumar. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I would like to say few words from the bottom of my heart on this auspicious occasion. Friend, today we are celebrating 74th Independence Day. This day is very important in the history of India because on this day India got freedom from the British rule. The British ruled on India approximately 200 years. The British used a policy to divide and rule. The many great warriors fight against the Britishers ensouled the power of unity. First time in 1857, uh, the people gathered against the Britishers on a large masses. This war or this moment is also called the first independent war. Means in this war, the whole maximum people, the farmer, the teachers, the educationists, um, the maximum people uh, participate in this war. But due to some reason, this war was suppressed by the British. But finally, Indian soil became free in 1947 on this day, after a long sacrifice and the struggle of great warrior. This is day to remember the sacrifice of a freedom fighter, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi are the many person who have contributed unvaluable struggles and sacrifice. Nowadays, we are living happily because of the sacrifice of these peoples. The 74 year after the independence, India has made rapid progress in the field of agriculture, sports, education, science, and technology. Even now, the India is on the path for the Atmanirbhar Bharat under the guidance of our Prime Minister, Prime Ministers. If we work with honesty, our responsibility, a day come when the India is on the top. Today, our country is in the last stage of progress or development. But even today, the Indian people facing some crises like corruptions, poverty, unemployment, etc. etc. So we have to unite and eradicate these all things from our society and from our India. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to express my view, my words. Have a cheerful day. And again, I wish you a very happy Independence Day.